We are in Sam's Club. It's that time of the month again. Yeah, look at them. And they're not even filled with nothing. Cute though.
Quality.
Yeah, they don't got Sade Boo quality, right? We having a baby, y'all. I've been keeping it from y'all. We having a baby. Surprise. Say surprise, babe. Dante, we having a baby.
That's a lie.
Tell them.
Deliver.
That we having a baby. We are, Dante.
And I don't know.
Oh no, look. Okay, technology. I guess it could look like it could be taking inventory of what it's going by. Bumba, new, it's a new world order. Ain't nobody driving it. Ain't nobody driving it. I keep seeing this. It is? Oh, that's dope. Party shots. Jello shots. Oh. Premium vodka. That's what's up. You sure? I don't know why he's touching. Why is he touching? Huh? That's why I'm getting one box. He will eat them if you buy them. You're stupid. Yo. Don't try to style my son. Dante's a glizzy man too, on the low. He eat his glizzy on the low. So don't try to style. Dante, stop. Look. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Nobody's driving it. I'm sorry. Let me get out your way. Go ahead. It's probably for you to go by. Maybe he's turning. So it was waiting for us to move out the way. Come on.
Nope.
I feel like every time I get French fries, I always find like you're a good cameraman. I'm done down the street. Cause your father, and he just don't follow rules. Really. What should have been? What should have been honey? That's just flaky. They don't even say butter. What are these? Oh, I like these 6 count. Let me see. But I don't want no pork. One is turkey and one is ham. That's not gonna work. They should have did like all ham and all turkey, right? So you have the option. I would get, I don't want them to melt. We always buy them, yeah. It's 15 in a box for 12. I paid $7 just for one box of 3.
True?
Yeah. They come 3 in a box.
But that's our almond.
That's vanilla, yeah, chocolate almond. They have different ones.
Glizzy.
Dante, just be honest. Because don't follow this one. He's trying to follow you. I don't know why you saying that out of your mouth. Because you would eat
I
it too.
glaze it and I stick that in.
It does. It is turkey, babe. It tastes good. Y'all are so. It's alright.
You have to glaze it and stick it, man. Wow.
They got the best vegetables ever. Oh, they changed the color of the bag. It used to be white. You like these, Greg?
Oh.
These. Oh, you picked those, Dante?
Oh.
Yeah, let's get some of these. They $3.98. Purified. And it's 40. Want to get two?
Yeah, I can bring them up.
Dante gonna bring them up. You don't go to school, you gotta work, right? That's how it goes. If you're not in school, you have to work. Good job, baby. I used to make fun of people having to wear that over there. They're like, if you like paint on yourself, and now I'm 37, and if I giggle hard, he comes down. So you can't chat about people because your ass might be in the same situation. But I'm not at that age where I need those drawers yet.
We're starting with.
You too? They have these. Oh, we want brown eggs, right?
That's over here. That's over here.
I eat brown eggs. There's nothing wrong with that. No, they got pure coffee mate in here too. So no white eggs. We don't want no white eggs. We don't want no coffee mate. They creamers are disgusting. Look what they're looking at. Yeah, you're looking at sweets. If Sharice was here, she'd lure you in. She'd be like, oh, Greg. Oh, Greg, look. Over here. Yeah, I was over there. I don't know. My mother would be like, come on, Greg. Look what they got. Trying to lure my husband in with the sweets. This can't be this is the price? Excuse me. This is the price? What the? Nobody can't be hungry? $4.98 for rotisserie chicken?
No.
I'm getting one. $4.98 for this whole cooked chicken. Dante, people can't be hungry. I'm trying to see which one look like real seasoned tender. Which one, Greg?
That one is supposed to taste.
This one, right? Yeah, I was looking. $4.98. Nobody should be hungry. Nobody should be hungry. Look at this. Oh, Greg, I can smell it. They think this is all steak?
All of this are beef, but different piece.
Do they look good?
So this is sirloin steak.
But it's thick.
Yeah, this is a different part. I would say different part. It's a tenderloin.
Wow.
It's a ribeye. It's a ribeye. It's a beef ribeye.
Get your rotisserie for about $4.98. Greg, we supposed to be trying to help the families and how to, you know, be able to put a decent meal on the table for a reasonable price. What's that?
Lamb.
Why it look like that?
Now the rock. You have to bust it in and
Oh, what meat is here?
lamb.
But where's the meat?
Right there, son.
Watch my bag. I'm done saying. So, Greg, all of this bone and this little bit of meat?
Alright, this lamb leg. $31.
Interesting.
This is that coming like mutton.
I don't think I never had that, babe.
Just like we have goat meat.
We eating this tonight. Cause I'm not.
Where do you have
I don't know. I don't know.
No, this is right.
Oh, you in his way for real. Oh. I don't know, babe. Greg said, what is his job? You see what happens with technology? You don't even need a worker. You don't need a worker to go do the inventory around the store. You got a machine to do it. I can put this back. But you know, we usually get our meat from uptown, so it's a lot of pausing going on. When I'm not even gonna say nothing, it's just a lot of pausing going on. Nobody eats hot dogs, nobody eats sausages, nobody does these things anymore.
They can't go in there.
Oh yeah, and those pineapples?
A pineapple this?
Yeah, man.
They put them in the front, man. Alright, give me. No, put them in the front car, glass. You don't want to drive and mash them and find them.
No, babe, it's not glass.
Oh,
It's hard plastic. Come on.
that's glass. Something wrong with it.
Oh, it is?
Dante, put this on the ground in the car. She had to be about hard plastic or that glass.
I thought it was. Yikes. When you take off of school, what your parents usually do, get your ass up. You come with me to the supermarket. You come with me to the laundromat. Any errands I have, you coming with me. Because you don't get to lay up in the house, chill, play game on phone. And nope. That's why they say if you don't go to school, you gotta go to work. Period. Capiche? Capiche? What you supposed to say after capiche? Do you know? Caposh. Oh, I'm about to say what I would give to live across the street from Walmart. I wouldn't want to live right across the street from it. But I don't mind living like a 5-minute drive out of my beautiful gated community, private. Walmart. All right, let me get a card. He's looking for patty pie. Look at him.
Patty pie. I'm good now.
Let me get something for my baby. Okay, so we just got back hours ago and I took a nap. But real quick, some rotisserie chicken, popcorn, buns, eating that with the chicken. Cookies. What's this? Crackers, goldfish, honey buns, chips, cereal, cocoa, Vita Coco, more chips and more spaghetti sauce. Favorite Polynesian. Yeah, I know that. Chicken Alfredo. My favorite. Corned beef hash. Some vegan beans. Some orange juice. Sweet milk. Oil. Vegetable oil. Yeah. Little mac and cheese pieces that Royce like. Some sazon on that chicken. I got my creamers that are my favorite creamers. Some pies and peach cobbler, some grapes, some eggs, of course, some salad.
Mom.
I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and I cannot wait for my home because I need a pantry. Have all this stuff.
Cannot fit.
No pantry. So I know y'all seeing nothing but snacks, but I told y'all before we go uptown and we get our meats from there. So, but thank you for watching. And oh yeah, FYI, all of this was $300. Sam's Club and Walmart. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment down below where you shop, where's the deals, whatever. And I will see y'all in the next video.